Weather from where you live.
Well, for us, just some high thin cirrus tonight, making that little halo, that little ring around the moon. But the surface low of this storm is in Texas, moving out of New Mexico. But the upper low, little spin here, is still out in Arizona. So this is a very large winter storm. Thing is, the worst of it will stay west of us, but this precip developing down here in Texas and also the precip down here in Oklahoma and Arkansas will kind of gel together, and we'll just have a main band of wintry mix, if you will, and that's what will come into our area tomorrow evening, tomorrow night, and get out of here on Friday morning. And you'll see that the worst will be west of us, because here's the viewing area, and notice the winter weather advisory, Newton, Jasper, Benton. But then it's winter storm warnings, Iowa, Missouri, Kansas, and Nebraska out here, and an ice storm warning down in Arkansas. So we're going to get a little bit of a winter weather event here, but boy, it's going to be much worse as you head westward. So here we go. Tomorrow, clouds thickening, increasing, sun dimming. We'll go overcast by evening, snow, sleet, freezing rain coming in. And I think we're fair game in our southwest counties after 5 o'clock for this to come in, and then the entire area will have precip on top of it by midnight, and then the precip gets out of here Friday morning and it changes to just a little bit of patchy drizzle, perhaps patches of misty light rain. So tonight though, notice after midnight how the temp doesn't change much. It's pretty much 14 or 15 with wind chills in the single digits. Tomorrow the wind cranks up out of the east and southeast, so highs in the 20s, 28 by 6, but notice wind chills around 11 due to the stronger winds. And Friday, roads may be pretty nasty, well, Thursday night, early Friday morning, but then they get much better because it's going to be 35 to 40 degrees, 38 Lafayette, and even 40 at Crawfordsville. So here we go. This is as we get into tomorrow evening. Notice the snow, a little sleet overspreading the area, and then kind of a mix of snow, sleet, freezing rain in that pink overspreading the area as well. But then the freezing line works northward. So this will be an icy mix. South of there, though, once we get towards early Friday morning, it's just going to be a little patchy drizzle, patchy light rain. And then we may have a patch or two of drizzle or light rain for a while Friday morning before temps start to fall late in the day. And notice a little blue here. We may even have a couple of flurries late Friday afternoon. So bottom line is 1 to 3 inches of snow and sleet, about 1/10 of an inch of glaze ice. Best chance of getting the higher end of those totals, 2 to 3 inches, would be north of Lafayette, but it's going to be enough to slicken things up and create some travel issues, again, starting tomorrow evening, tomorrow night, lasting into tomorrow night, and then getting out of here Friday morning. And with temperatures rising above freezing, it will improve greatly with time Friday morning and into Friday afternoon. 34 Saturday, dry Sunday, 42, but rain comes in Monday, 47, ends as a few flurries on Monday night, and then highs pretty seasonal 30s as we get into next week. We'll have an update on this tomorrow, and Cameron will have it updated tomorrow morning.
Sounds good. Well, tomorrow night could be a little nasty, but hopefully that bad weather kind of winding down. Hope and some careers winding down for the boys of the hardwood.